हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम बैक टू आवर चैनल। आज हम पार्ट 4 करेंगे गणित प्रकाश क्लास 6 चैप्टर 1 पैटर्न्स इन मैथमेटिक्स। अर्लियर वी हैव स्टडीड powers of 2, Viranka numbers, counting numbers, odd numbers, even numbers. Now today the next part of figure out is next question is, can you think of pictorial ways to view the sequence of powers of 2 and powers of 3? Here we can see power of 2 is 2 raised to power 0, 2 raised to power 0, 0 is 1. 2 raised to power 1 is 2. 2 square is equal to 4. So we have 4 dots connected in the form of square. Next 2 cube. So it is a cube. Next is 8. So 2 raised to power 4 is 16. 16 we can see the two cubes are connected to each other, forms 2 raised to power 4. Power of 3 can be written like this. 3 raised to power 0 is 1. So 1 dot is there. 3 raised to power 1 is 3. 3 dots connected in the form of equilateral triangle. 3 square is 9. So we have 3 triangles connected to each other. 3 cube is 27. So we have 3 combination of 3 equilateral triangles connected to each other forms 27. Next question. Next figure out. Question number 1. Can you find a similar pictorial representation for y adding counting numbers up and down? 1, 1 plus 2 plus 1, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1 give square numbers. So let us one number we can pictorially draw like this 1. Next we have 2, 1. You can see 1 plus 2 plus 1, and this forms a square like structure. So we have here square like structure. Next 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1. So here we have one row, one dot in first row, then 2, then 3, then 2, then 1. So it is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1, which is equal to 9. So 9 is what? 3 square. So this is a square with side 3. So this is how we can find square numbers, and these square numbers are counting numbers up and down. Next number would be 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 2 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1. So you can see this is 9 plus 7, 16. 16 is 4 square. Next question. By imagining a large version of your picture or drawing it partially as needed, can you find what will be the value of 1 plus 2 plus 3 up to 100 and then decreasing order 99 up to 1? So already we have done counting numbers in increasing order. So here it is 1, 2, and it increases. So this is 1, 2, and here we have 99 and 100. Then decreasing order, similarly decreasing order 99 up to 2 and 1. So here we can see this is again like a square. So it is equal to 100 square is equal to 10,000 is the answer. As we have done here also, here it is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1. So middle value is 3. So it is equal to 3 square is 9. Similarly here in this case, the middle value is 100 up to 2, 1. So 100 square is equal to 10,000. Now question is, which sequence do we get when you start to add all one sequence up? What sequence do you get when you add all one sequence up and down? So first we learn what do you mean by all ones sequence. So what is all ones sequence means? We have 1, 1, 1, 1 and 1 so on. Now first part is all sequence, all one sequence up means first we take 1, 1 equals to 1. Then we move from 1 to 1. So it is 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. Next we go 1 plus 1 plus 1. So it is 1 plus 1 plus 1 is equal to 3. Next we have 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 equals to 4 and so on. So what we write? All one sequence up, we get counting numbers. Now let us check second part. So this is first part. Second part is all ones sequence up and down. Now in this case, what we have? First we write down 1 is equal to 1. Next, we move from first position to first to second position. So it is 1 up means 1 plus 1 and then back plus 1 is equal to 3. Similarly, first position 1 up to third position we move 1 plus 1 plus 1. So 1 plus 1 plus 1 then back to original position 1 plus 1. So it is equal to 5. So here we are getting 1, 3, 5. Next we will get 7. Which means when all ones are up and down, we get odd numbers, right? Next question. Which sequence do you get when you start to add counting numbers up? Can you give a smaller pictorial explanation? In this question, counting numbers, first you write down. Counting numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. So first it is 1. Next case 1 plus 2. Next case 1 plus 2 plus 3. Next case 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. So here pictorially we can have 1 dot. Here it is 3 dots. 1 plus 2 is 3. Next 1, 2, 3. Next 1, 2 dots, 3 dots and 4 dots. So here we can see this is these numbers are triangular numbers. So when we add counting numbers up, we get triangular numbers. What happens when you add up pairs of consecutive triangular numbers? That is 1 plus 3, 3 plus 6, 6 plus 10, 10 plus 15. So first part is which sequence do you get and why? Can you explain it with picture? What happens when you start to add up powers of 2 starting with 1, that is 1 plus 2, 1 plus 2 plus 4, 1 plus 2 plus 4 plus 8. Now add 1 to each of these numbers. What numbers do we get? Why does this happen? So first part is what happens when we add pair of consecutive triangular numbers. So first part is 1 plus 3. So triangular numbers are 1, 3, 6, 10. So what are triangular numbers? Triangular numbers are 1, 3, 6, 10, 15, and so on. So here 1 plus 3 is 4. Next, 3 plus 6 is equal to 9. Next, 6 plus 10 is equal to 16. 10 plus 15 is equal to 25. So here we can see 4 is 2 square, 9 is 3 square, 4 square is 16, 5 square is 25. So what sequence we get? In this case, we get square numbers. Can you explain it with a picture? Yes. So 1 plus 3. So we have 1 plus 3. 3 is next. So it is like a square. Next 3 plus 6. So here upper part is 3, lower part is 6. So we get square, 3 square is 9, right? Next, can you explain it with a picture? Yes, we did it. What happens when you start to add powers of 2 starting with 1? So we take 1. So this is second part. So 1. Next is 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. Next is 1 plus 2 plus 4, 7. Next is 1 plus 2 plus 4 plus 8 is equal to 15. Next is 1 plus 2 plus 4 plus 8 plus 16 is equal to 15 plus 16 is 31. So what type of numbers we get? 1 to each of these numbers. What do you get? Why does this happen? If you add, in first case, 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. Second case, 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. Next, 7 plus 1 is equal to 8. Next, 15 plus 1 is equal to 16. And next, 31 plus 1 is equal to 32. So here we are getting 2 raised to power 1. 2 square is 4. 2 cube is 8. 2 4 is equal to 16. 2 raised to power 5 is 32. So we are getting again power of two numbers. We get these numbers because of the formula of symmetric series. Which part of the today's lesson did you find most interesting? Let me know in comments. If this video helped you understand the topic better, hit the like button so I know to make it more. Thank you for watching.